What I wish I knew when choosing surgical tools. Today, let's uncover why the Mathieu rectal speculum from Spec Surgical is a must-have. Welcome to Spec Surgical Industry, your trusted partner in top-quality surgical instruments. Today, we're excited to introduce the Mathieu rectal speculum, a vital tool for medical exams and surgeries. Built with precision and care, this instrument makes procedures easier for healthcare professionals. Let's talk features. Our Mathieu rectal speculum is crafted from strong stainless steel. It resists rust, is easy to clean, and boasts incredible durability. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, and the adjustable blades provide superior control during procedures. Why choose Spec Surgical Industry, guys? We're trusted globally by suppliers and distributors on that. Our products meet international standards, guaranteeing quality and reliability you can count on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insights into our surgical tools. If you're a supplier or distributor, reach out for more details. Contact info is in the description.